Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So today, a short video where I'm going to talk about n8n servers. As you know, today is Black Friday, so let's take the opportunity to look at the market and see which systems offer the best hosting for workflows. As you know, when we create workflows, for example, I've created several myself, I need to host my workflows on a server so I can simply use them. And especially when I activate my workflows, when they are, active, meaning they're in operational mode. It means that even if I shut down my computer, that workflow keeps working for me. So consequently, I need a powerful server capable of running my workflows. Today, we have several options. The first is to go to the official n8n website. So on the pricing page, we can see they offer several packages, but price-wise, it's a bit expensive. We're talking about $24 a month, $60 a month, and $960 a month. And if I take the $24 one, for example, it only gives me the ability to activate 5 workflows at the same time. And activating 5 workflows at once is, very limited, because generally, if you're a freelancer, you need to run about 10 or so to test things out and, optimize the workflow. And even if you're an entrepreneur and you take the pro plan, it still limits you to just 20 workflows. So generally, for those who want to use workflows in an unlimited way, we're talking about $960 a month. That's incredibly expensive for beginners, for people who are freelancers, and for small businesses. Now, today on Hostinger, I see they're also having a Black Friday sale. So on Hostinger, they offer several servers, but the ones that interest me are these two, the KVM2 and the KVM4. First of all, they're unlimited in the number of active workflows. That means I'm not limited to a specific number. This means I can even have 1,000 active workflows running at the same time, and the system works very, very well. So if you're a freelancer, I recommend this one, which has 2 processors. It's more than enough to test 100 or so per month. And then, see little by little if you need to use a lot more resources, you can get the KVM4. That's the one I recommend for businesses. So this one has 4 processors. 4 processors is really, really powerful with 16 gigabytes of RAM. So it's truly a machine that's capable of running multiple workflows very, very quickly. Now I'll show you. When I click on select, you'll see that I can come here to add a new code, and you can enter this code Black n8n. I found this code that Hostinger is offering today, and thanks to this code, when you apply it, it will give you another 20% discount. So we're talking about €4.79 a month. It's the best offer on the market. But be careful, they've only activated this for 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So you should take advantage of this because they give you a 30-day satisfaction or money-back guarantee, which is really interesting. And the icing on the cake is this, the n8n plus 100 workflows. This is free. When you click on it, when you activate it, you get the most popular and most downloaded workflows in the world, which you'll find for free, pre-installed on your server. So if you're just testing things out to learn, it's a good idea to start by testing these workflows that are recommended by Hostinger. And so, of course, they are pre-programmed. So here you click confirm and that's it. You just have to click continue. And so with that, you have a powerful server that allows you to, use the workflows. So if you go back to the official n8n template page, you have 7,164 workflows right there available. So if I come here, I can take mine, which is this one, for example. This one is, actually recommended by n8n. When you click on use for free, when you click here, you'll download that workflow, and you can, of course, import it onto your Hostinger server.